Hello children, welcome to the Bal Govindam learning app. So this is the page of the activity page in your workbook. So write the cursive form of. So you have to, this is a capital letter has given here, but you have to write into cursive form. यहाँ पर सिंपल कैपिटल लेटर दिया है, लेकिन अभी जब हम स्मॉल लेटर सीख रहे हैं कर्सिव का, उसे इसका हमें लिखना है कर्सिव फॉर्म में, स्मॉल कर्सिव फॉर्म में. ओके, दिस इज द लेटर इज बी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर बी. B says B, so you have to write B in a small cursive like this. Okay, like this. This is the cursive form. Okay, this is the capital of B and this is the cursive form. Okay, so this is the letter K, so we have to write sorry, so you have to write K in a small form, in a small cursive form like this. Okay, L, so you have to write small cursive form L. L says L, K says K. Okay, C says K, so you have to write in small cursive form, capital small cursive letters. C says K. Now here it is given A, so you have to write A in small cursive form. A says A. Okay, look, we have completed this page. Turn your page, and this is the page number 46. Okay, this is also the same pattern as we have done here. Okay, so the same pattern you have to do. Okay, so first there is the capital letter of C, so you have to write the small cursive like this, K. Please cross this G because you have not yet learned this letter. Okay, so to cross this word you don't have to do this word G because the G is not in your syllabus. Okay, so please cross this word. So come to the next M. So in cursive form we will write M as like this pattern. Okay, and this is the O. So O is also, we didn't learn the O, so cross this letter also. This is not in your syllabus. Okay, so cross this letter also. आपने अभी तक ये G लेटर और O लेटर अभी हमने वर्कबुक में नहीं सीखा है, इसलिए आप इन्हें क्रॉस कर दीजिए. जो ये लेटर अभी हम नहीं सीखेंगे, हम बाद में सीखेंगे. ओके, N. Okay, in a cursive form N. Okay, like this. Okay, so children, अब हमारा ये सिलेबस पेज 46 यहाँ कंप्लीट होता है. अभी हमारे एग्जाम जब होंगे हाफ ईयरली, तो हमारे सिलेबस यही लास्ट पेज 46 तक खत्म होते हैं. तो ये आपका कोर्स हो गया कंप्लीट. ओके, सो प्लीज डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ ऑल अल्फाबेट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट. थैंक यू. हेलो, welcome to the Bal Govindam learning app. Hello children, so today I have come with a revision work in your workbook. So this is the page number 43. Okay, so आपको इसमें रिविजन वर्क है पूरा. K says K, C says K, A says A and D says D. So you have to complete this page. First put the dot like this. Okay, so first put the dot. So complete the dot first before writing. आपको डॉट लगाना है पहले लाइनों में, फिर आप लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लाइन ऑफ K. K says K, kite. K says K, kite. Okay, kite. K says k, 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 kite. Come to the line of C. C says k, k, cap, cap. C says k, cap. C says k, cap. C says k, cap. C says k, cap. So please do write this page like this pattern. Okay. This is line of C. C says k, cap. Come to the next letter. This is the letter A. A. A says A. Okay. First take upward, little curve down, then make a whole circle and make it out. Okay. A says A. A says A. A says A. Okay. A says A. A says A. A says A. A says A. A. A says A. Okay. And now this letter is D. D says D. D. D says 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 D. Okay. D says D. D says D. D says D. D says D. Okay. So look, we have completed the page. I've completed this page by writing the same letter. Okay. So first letter is K, kite. Then C. C says K, cap. A. In phonic we will pronounce A as apple. This is the letter D. We will pronounce D as D, dog. Come to the next page. This is also the same pattern. Okay. This is also the same pattern of K. So you have to complete this page also writing the same pattern as you have done before page. Okay. K, A and D. Okay. Please children do your work, okay, by the help of your parent. Thank you.